Can the crude oil bull run continue? Will it get to $100? In my regular weekly look at WTI crude oil, I'm going to dig into the current technical analysis to find out. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of TheStopHunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. Let's quickly cover off some fundamentals and sentiment indicators first. We go into our seasonality at the bottom there, and it's reaching its peak before starting to traditionally come off before turning itself back upwards. Late November, December time. Jumping on to the COT, Commitment of Traders data, looking at the red line, the commercials, inverse to the price at the top there, which is what we expect to see in this bullish run, to confirm that, and our COT index, the black line there of large speculators, also mirroring the price in the same direction that we would also expect, and above 90, so staying bullish at the moment. So onto the rig count numbers, courtesy of Baker Hughes, and it's the first time in quite a few weeks that we've seen a negative change from the prior count, -1 there on that US line, but the change from last year still positive, plus 255. And remember, the Baker Hughes rig count is a good barometer to use to gauge the strength of the oil industry at the moment. Better than expected numbers last week at minus 0.431 million barrels against the forecast of 1.857 million, and note that the forecast this week is exactly the same as last, so we'll watch to see if there's any surprises there that could add some volatility to the price action. So onto the weekly line chart for crude oil, and we all know of the current bull run, but I want to just highlight on the chart today that yellow box. A lot of noise around there, 2018, 2019, between that $75 and $63, that Fibonacci set up there that I left on from the previous week, the 178.6% line. So if we do have a pullback in the price, first stop likely to be those numbers around the $75, and then below that anywhere down to sort of 63 before pausing again where there is even more sort of historical noise and possible support. But first stop on the weekly chart to the upside from here is just over the $90, $91, $92 area. So onto the daily hike in ASHI, and it's really just a continuation of that bullish thing. Both the signals down the bottom, bullish. The volatility calming down, which might be just helping to confirm this current bull run. And volume there, trading sort of around its longer term moving average, so nothing too spectacular to worry about in there. But onto the price, the two pink lines, that's our box setup, still trading above there from our buy signal from a few weeks ago. The pink and blue bands, that's a 2 standard deviation regression. It's around about the mean. Still got some upside if it wants to get to the top of that band to about $90. Might even reverse from here as it's been hugging that line, and that sort of downside there to the top of that pink line is about $75, $76. But overall, very positive picture. Final chart is the Renko chart, and I've used a 50-cent block size for the Renko setup. Both signals are bullish, price trading above the longer term moving average, and the pink box setup. In terms of Fibonacci, I've used the trend around the current run up from sort of late August time, and to the upside, if it continues from here, we've got, in terms of Fibonacci numbers, 91, 98, 99, and then $107 to the upside. A reversal from here, probably stop around at 80, then 76, down into that noisier part around $70, $71. So Renko still also looking very bullish. So in summary, all the signals are still pointing bullish. I'm going to give an overall opinion of bullish, as it has been the last few weeks. It's going to take some fundamental jolt to trigger the downside, or maybe large profit taking might create a rush or a panic. So use those technical indicators and tools wisely to time your way in and out of your trades. But like I say, the Heikin-Ashi Renko still very bullish. The other factors stayed as per last week, and we focusing on the targets. Bullish side, I've expanded that range to the upside, so it now has 2.6, 4.6 to 1, and we now look, trying to zoom in on that $105, $107 mark. And to the downside, still slightly improved just because of the potential of a pullback, 1.16, 2.16 to 1. But overall, though, like I say, can't get bet against the bulls at the moment. So all the technicals still pointing bullish, but how long can it last? Who knows? We're going to watch this space closely. Be careful, entering trades to the upside, put in those stops, and also watch out for any potential short-term sharp pullbacks in the price. Let me know in the comments below where you think the price is going and whether you agree or disagree with the technical analysis in today's video. Love to hear from you there. And if you've liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And if you want to learn more about the technical analysis I've used in this video, I'll put a link in the description below as well. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.